Hi, my name is Angel, and I work for Prevention Network. I'm excited to show you the benefits of becoming a member on our website at www.preventionnetwork.org. At Prevention Network, our mission is to cultivate healthy communities across Michigan by providing resources, technical assistance, and support to prevention professionals or anyone wanting to know more about substance misuse prevention. Becoming a member on our website is completely free and available to anyone wanting to learn more about prevention. From anywhere on the website, scroll to the top right and click the button that says Join Our Network. From there, you are given the option to join the network or sign in if you're already a member. Click the button that says Join Our Network. You can create a username and password and almost instantly get exclusive access to benefits like our Michigan Key Contact List that has contact information for over 70 other coalitions and organizations across the state, our resource library filled with over 300 resources, and a forum to network with other coalitions and organizations. Upon registration, you'll be directed to our homepage. To explore our benefits, hover your mouse over the Members Resources tab on our website menu at the top right. Select Michigan Key Contact List to access contact information for over 70 coalitions and organizations across the state. Here you'll find an interactive map with each contact location marked. In the list of coalitions, by clicking the Details button, you'll find helpful information like a person of contact, their phone number, email, and more information about their organization, like the counties they serve, key substances that they specialize in, their type of organization, and a link to their website. One major benefit of the contact list and the resource library is the ability to apply filters to narrow your search. You can search the contact list by keyword, county, the type of organization, and what Prevention Network program they're affiliated with. Don't see your organization or coalition on the list? We'd love to add you. Scroll down under the interactive map and click the link that says, "Click here to add your organization to the list." Select the Resource Library link to view our list of over 300 resources. Each resource includes the title, type of resource, and includes supportive tags. Below, there is an explanation and identification of the author of the resource. Each resource is tagged with specific keywords or the Prevention Network program it's affiliated with to narrow your search. Just like the Michigan Key Contact List, the resource library has different filters you can apply to your search, including keyword, a list of topics, Prevention Network program, or what type of content it is. If you're a caregiver or parent, part of our Parenting Awareness Michigan program, looking for informative videos, the filters can find just what you're looking for. Many of the webinars or online trainings that Prevention Network offers can be found in our resource library. If you're looking to add a resource to this library, scroll all the way to the bottom and click the link here. We're constantly looking for new and helpful resources to add. To access the forum, click Network Forum. The Network Forum is a great place to connect with other prevention professionals to ask questions or get feedback on your work. Prevention Network staff are notified once a post is published, and we're happy to assist you. Becoming a member on Prevention Network's website is completely free and easy. We're continually adding new contacts to our Michigan Key Contact List and new resources to our library. For any questions, please send us an email at info@preventionnetwork.org. Thanks for watching this tour, and we hope you find this tutorial useful in understanding how to become a member on Prevention Network's website and how to navigate the member resources.